Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to talk about histogram or bins in Tableau. Let's get started. A histogram is a chart that displays the shape of a distribution. A histogram looks like a bar chart but groups values for a continuous measure into ranges or bins. Let me open Tableau public application and explain you how to create a histogram or bin in Tableau. Yeah, I have the Tableau public application open. I am clicking on the show me palette to show the template of histogram. I am hovering on the histogram template in the show me palette and it is showing me some suggestions down here. For a histogram view, try one measure, creates a bin field. That means we need to have a measure in place to create a histogram or bins in Tableau. As usual, I have taken sample superstore data and I am selecting a measure. We can select any measure. I am taking quantity which is available here in the sample superstore data set. I am clicking on the quantity and dropping in the row shelf, and I am clicking on the histogram template. Yeah, we have the bins created and the distribution is visually showing up like a histogram. Let me create a new sheet and explain you clearly. I am taking the quantity and dropping in the text and converting it to discrete. And changing it to dimension. See, you can see we have 14 values in the quantity dimension. That means since we have very less values or less records in the quantity, we can see each and every value has been grouped or distributed separately. So this is a kind of a range or bin which has been created over here. For example, if you want to display 0 to 10 or 10 to 20, this kind of age groups or 50, get the population over there, then in that case you can create bins and use it as a histogram over here. As I said, this is best when we create bins for ages. Like for example, in our data, in a particular data set, if we have a data which is related to age could be anything, right? From 1 to 100. So it is difficult for us to show everything from 1 to 100. If we split it up, it is very difficult. So if we segregate each and every particular age group, 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, likewise if you could segregate it into 4 groups and show the population for a particular census or any kind of survey we are doing, so that could be great in that case. And let me show you another way of creating a bin manually. I am selecting quantity again, right clicking on the quantity measure, and there is an option called create, and there is an option called bins in the create menu. So if we click on that and group it based on the, if we have some size of bins over here, that means if we could select we can give the value now that we have 14 values, if we want to group it for every 5 values, then that way also we can create a bin. Now a bin has been created. I am dragging the bin and dropping it in the row shelf. you can see, right, as I have given the 5 interval, that means bin size 5, we have the 3 bins created over here. So this way also we can create a bin. This is it, guys. This is how you can create a bin, and you can use it for your different purposes, like you can compare the sales against it, or profit against it, and change your view based on that. Maybe a text chart in a better way. This way also you can create, or you can change it to bubble chart. This way also you can create. No, it is up to your choice, like how you are going to use the bin you created. This is it. Thank you, guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share, and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.